Today we'll be streaming game in Twitch. You search for online games, no ads. I will use this one at free games. And if you have a look here, there are a selection of games. Choose any that you can demonstrate in Twitch. I choose this one, Google Snake. How to set up the streaming? First, you must have a Twitch account. I already have mine, so I'll use my existing account. In your account, if you successfully run the live streaming, it will be displayed in your channel. So your channel will be twitch.tv followed by your username. You can access it under here, channel. Okay, so for example, I've been running a few live here as testing. Okay, it will tell you the duration and how long the video is. Okay, how to run live in Twitch. Previously there was Twitch Studio, but now there's no more Twitch Studio. So we'll be using some other alternative. In Twitch, it will have this creator dashboard. It will suggest to you what are the tools that you can use. So if you look at streaming tools, okay, it will suggest crowd control, stream elements, streamlabs, phone, and a few other things. For example, my favorite is this one, OBS, but for beginners, we'll try this one, Streamlabs. Or if you want to test other software, you are mostly welcome. So go to streamlabs.com and install the software. Okay, what to do in the Streamlabs. So if you go to the editor, there are a few modes. Editor, layout mode, and studio mode. Okay, in the studio mode, you can see both. One is the edit mode and what it look like in the live version. I'm done with my setup. So you need at least 2 webcam for this exercise. One webcam is not enough because it's too easy. So 2 webcams might be you and your friend or you and yourself. Here I'm using one camera from my handphone, another one is a camera from my PC. So it's the same me, but 2 different devices. Okay, in the stream, you have to add the sources. First, how to add the cam. The cam is added by choosing this one, video capture device. That will add your webcam. How about the second camera? The second camera will be what we call a collab cam. Okay, so if you have another device that you want to connect and show the webcam, you will use the collab cam, and then you add the source, and then you add the source, and then it will be displayed there. Okay, before it is displayed, now I got to collab cam. The setting of the collab cam is here, properties, setting. Okay, so if you want to join with another device, after you add the collab cam, you give the URL and then join the streaming via this URL. Okay, the free version of Streamlabs only allow one additional guest, 1 out of 1. If you want more guests, more webcam from external devices, you have to pay. So that's the limitation of the free version. Okay, once you do that, you go to camera and then choose collab cam, then play around with the setting. Okay, and then if it doesn't appear, just play around with this. Another thing that you can play around with is this one. If let's say the output from your handphone does not display, what you can do is you can try to choose this, try to change, okay, from none to collab cam, or from none to screen capture, and then back to none. Okay, that's work for me. Next, how to add the game. The game is added by adding screen capture. Okay, screen capture, you just simply choose a screen capture, and then choose one of the window on your desktop. So here there are a few selection. I choose the window that shows the game itself. Okay, so that's how I added the Chrome browser that shows the game. Okay, next, how to show the logo. The logo can be, there are many choices. I choose image slideshow. Okay, so if you go to image slideshow, you can actually add a few images, not just one. Here I choose this logo. Better if you have transparent background. Okay, you can add more than one images, add file, and then choose if you have more than one image that you can use as slideshow. Now I'm using only one image. Okay, what's this? The jumping banana is actually a Jiffy. This one I added using media file. Media file is a Jiffy file. Okay, there you go, jiffy.gif. You can import the GIF, I mean animated GIF. Okay, next, text. There are a few ways to add text. The default in here we have text GDI plus. Okay, so if you add from there, you get this kind of text. If you want fancy text, then you design in proper editor and then insert the JPEG or PNG file. Okay, next, how to go live. Okay, this is the edit screen. This is the live screen. Okay, so you go live, click go live. If it's the first time you stream to Twitch, there will be a dialog box for you to connect to your Twitch account. Here I already connected to my Twitch account. You fill in all this and then confirm go to live. Okay, so if it's the first time, you need to authorize Streamlabs to access your Twitch. Okay, once you are live, it will be indicated here live, how long you have been live. Okay, then let's check whether it's displaying on your channel or not. So go back to your channel here, back to your channel. Okay, your channel should display your live content. So live content may be slightly lagging. I wave my hand, maybe a few seconds later, it will appear on my Twitch live. So let's play the game. Here it's in my channel, and I will start the game in my desktop. This is the game in my desktop. Refresh. So if I play on the right screen, it will be projected in my live stream. Okay, great. Okay, then once you are done, make sure you test some other tools in Streamlabs. For example, if you want to have a break, you can activate the be right back scene. Okay, click be right back, and then click the transition button. Okay, and then you see that in your live, it will take a few seconds before it happens on your live feed in your channel. So there, be right back appear. So you can have a few scenes here, starting soon, transition. Okay, starting soon. It will take a few seconds. Will be appear in your Twitch channel starting soon. Okay, ending soon. Transition. Ending soon will appear here. Okay, once you are done, you can end the show. End stream. Okay, after that, here live will become offline, and your video will appear a few seconds or minutes in your main page of your channel. So you go back to your channel, will list all the recent video. Takes a few seconds before it updates the latest stream in your video list. So here I can see my previous uh, video here. Okay, so if you have streamed more than once, it will all listed in your main page of your channel. Go to video section. So here under my video section, here I can see my previous stream.